Hi friends, today we are going to learn about sum product formula in Excel. Sum product is a function which is commonly used among all the functions. Hence, I am going to make three parts about this function so that it will be easy to understand scenario by scenario. Let's say we want to know what is the total revenue from these three products. How to calculate is unit rate times sold. This way we will get the revenue for each product separately. So I'm going to copy and paste as formulas to the entire range. So here we have got the revenue for each product separately. If we want to know the total revenue for all the products equals to sum of all individual revenues. So this way we will get the total revenue for all the products. Instead of doing these two exercises like calculating the individual revenue and sum up all individual revenues to get the total revenue. Using sum product we can avoid all these two exercises and using one exercise we can get the total revenue equals to sum product array 1 array 2 array 3. These are the arguments. You can see the array 1 is not within the square brackets but the array 2 array 3 are in the square bracket. That means array 1 is the mandatory argument and array 2 array 3 are optional arguments. The first argument unit rate comma and the second argument is sold close bracket, hit enter. See, there is no difference. We got the same revenue. This is one scenario. We will go to another scenario. Scenario 2, some product with the single criteria. Here we have the product and sales here. Suppose if you want to know what is the total sales for keyboards, you can use the same sum product function. Sum product, open another bracket and select the data range where the products are there equals to keyboards close bracket times, that means multiplication sign, open another bracket and select the sales and close bracket two times, hit enter. The total sales for keyboard is 13,699. If you want to cross verify, you can select all the keyboard sales. You can see at the bottom the sum is 13,699. So this way you can use the sum product to calculate the total revenue and the each individual products based on a single criteria. I hope these two techniques will help you to be more productive at your daily work. Thanks for watching my lecture today. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more and more updates. Let's see in our next video part 2.